Hello and welcome to Educate U's tutorial about how to sign up for FAFSA. The Federal Application for Student Aid, or FAFSA, is a great way for degree seekers like you and me to access grants and financial aid. First thing you're going to want to do before you actually apply for that student aid is to establish an account. So navigate over to www.fafsa.gov. And once you land on that home page, you're going to see a little section. We'll put a highlighter there that says new to the FAFSA process, start here. So click on that. That's going to take you in. Click where it says I am a student and I want to access the FAFSA form. If you're a parent, that's totally okay. We'll have a follow-up video that shows that. Click on create a FSA ID because you don't have an account yet. And that's what we're going to do in this video, is show you how to create that account. So from here, there's a couple of guidelines. Go ahead and read through those. Not real complicated. It's like signing up for anything else online. So after you read through that, click Get Started. And from here, you'll type in your personal information. We're not going to show you that in the video. Just assume it's the normal stuff: first, middle, last name, social. It is a government system, so it'll require a social. Select a username. They'll need an email address. All the normal online stuff. And we'll click continue there after we've created that account. You can save your password and do the autofill thing if you'd like. From here, unfortunately, we've got to blur out a lot of the information that we're typing in. Just know that it's all of your personal info, and it's not unlike any other online form. And it is the government, so they're extra secure, all that kind of stuff. So click continue on that one. And there's two ways you can verify your account with FSA. It's going to be email or text. I recommend doing one or the other. I'm going to do both for this one, but if you do both, you have to verify both. So they'll send you a code to each of those things, and you've got to send a challenge and response code back. And just like any other website, you're going to have to put in a few challenge and response questions. Again, a government site, so it's got 4. It seems a little excessive, but that's okay. Just make sure that you write those down or remember what the questions and responses are. You'll be taken to the next screen, which is going to verify all the information that you've put in. So once you get to the bottom of that, make sure you check that you agree and hit continue. That's going to take you to the verification screen. Now, if you put in text and email, you're going to have to do both. So you'll click on each one of those to send the code. Go over, check your email, check your phone. Look for spam folders and things like that too, because they like to hide in those. But you should have 6-digit codes on each. You'll type those into this little screen that I have popping up here and hit continue, and you're all done. It'll tell you that those are verified. So now you get a little splash screen that says your account was created. What next? So you have 1 to 3 days to wait until you'll get your actual sign-on information for the FAFSA website. And once we get that, we'll put up another video about how to actually submit for student aid. In the meantime, take a look at the box down below showing what you can do now, and look out for the next video coming from Educate U on how to actually submit applications and search through the student aid database. If you are a college student enrolling next semester, come check out Impact by Educate U. Educate U is a Christian company designed to mentor you through the school process, but we don't stop there. We add a valuable leadership development that big schools just can't compete with, and we do that all while saving you time and money that's rolled up in that college process. And we partner with several major schools, and we can take a lot of the pain out of going to college. We also add valuable life skills and experience to that. So check out Educate U today at educ8u.com.